Today I'm going to introduce you to some of our smallest new additions, and we're also going to say a quick g'day to our cheeky little red-collared lorikeets. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Recently, we welcomed over 40 little finches to our Rainforest Aviary family. We've got red-browed finches, chestnut-breasted manakins, and the spectacular Gouldian finch. Red-browed finches are found all along the east coast of Australia, from Cape York to the ranges of South Australia. They mostly feed on seeds and insects on the ground. Our red-browed finches have been really busy since they arrived, and they've welcomed several new young chicks to the family. Good morning! Hi! So here I have Turkey and FB. They are very cheeky lorikeets. Lorikeets are such a social, silly parrot species. And this morning they're having their favourite food, which is nectar. As you can see, they're very excited and they're very chatty. Now the three of us are going to take you to go find our adorable Gouldian finches. Oh, look, there they are. Gouldian finches are perhaps one of the most recognisable finch species in Australia due to their spectacular coloration. Once found in the millions across northern Australia, their population has unfortunately declined dramatically, and there are estimated to be only around 2,500 individuals remaining. We're so lucky to have a healthy population of Gouldian finches here in our Rainforest Aviary to ensure the survival of this species for years to come. Now we're going to say g'day to our three beautiful Regent honeyeaters who also enjoy some nectar in the mornings. Good morning, Roddy. Here's some nectar. Regent honeyeaters are critically endangered, with only a couple hundred remaining in the wild. These beautiful honeyeaters have such a gorgeous coloration, and as you can see, they love to feed on native flowers. We're so lucky to have them as part of our beautiful Rainforest Aviary family. I hope you've all enjoyed meeting some of our adorable new additions. If you have a specific bird that you'd love to see featured in an episode, drop us a comment below. See you next time.
More animals, more staff, and more stories.
Click on the links to see more videos just like this, and don't forget to subscribe.